Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sew this face mask. It's 100% reusable and rewashable and perfect for going out into public to protect yourself and others. Feel free to use any type of fabric you please. They are super easy to make, so let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so start off by choosing the part of the fabric you want the mask to show. I chose to have these two small flowers on my mask. Cut an 8.5 inch by 6 inch rectangle. This fabric I'm using here I bought from Joann's because I wanted to make a bunch of masks with cute patterns on it, but I've also used fabric from old t-shirts too and they came out really good, if not actually better than these. You can use fray check to stop your edges from fraying, or you can finish your raw edge with a sewing machine by using an overcast stitch like a zigzag stitch, like I'm doing here. I've done both and both are really good options. Cut off any loose threads. Now fold the edges over and pin or clip into place. To make the little pleats in the mask, fold the fabric down, placing your finger on the fold to keep it in place. Then fold the fabric back up without moving your finger and pin down. You can play around with the size and placement of this until you find what looks best. Repeat that step one more time under the first pleat. To sew the pleats in place, the easiest thing to do is to make sure to sew against the grain. The fold should be pointing up like so. Now for the elastic. Cut 2 pieces and they should be around 7.5 to 8 inches long. Pin it as close to the corner of the mask as you can. This will help keep the corners of the fabric down while you're wearing it. Keep the elastic straight and pin to the other side. You don't want the elastic to be twisted before you sew. Trust me. When you're sewing the elastic onto the mask, you want to start with the longer edge of the fabric behind the needle and where you're sewing on your side of the sewing machine. So basically you want to be coming down on the elastic. Doing so will make this step so much easier. If you start at the top corner of the fabric, your fabric might get stuck and you'll have a harder time sewing the elastic on. I did this step so many times before I figured out that I was going the wrong way. Cut off any strings and excess elastic and you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching, stay safe and take care.